are so excited to put our vestibular, our balance clinic, and our cochlear implant clinic in with our hearing and tinnitus clinic, and we want to give you the quick tour. So, are you ready? Come on! So, we have the best coffee in town and the prettiest faces here. It's Audiology Awareness Month, so come and do your crossword and your word seat. We come back here. There's Rose. Say hi, Rose. Hi. Okay, so down this side is our vestibular clinic, where we have renowned equipment. We have the first ever in the country Orion rotary chair. The first delivered. We are so excited to help patients in this way. So if you have vertigo, imbalance, lightheadedness, we can help you. And have our CDP, which assesses postural stability and real-world experiences, where we can diagnose and treat vestibular problems. Around the corner here is our other vestibular treatment room with the enlarged mat to help get the diagnosis and treatment easier for the patient. Our marketing department with our amazing Nicole Marketing, who's out in the community at Rotary and Chamber of Commerce. We have our cochlear implant and pediatric booth here. We test the little ones with the puppy dogs, and when they're little, they can't raise their hand to tell us that they can hear something, so we have to condition them. Down here is our hearing wing. We have 2 more testing suites where we can help patients and diagnose them. Clean and check rooms for our hearing aid patients, and another diagnostic room. There's our amazing IT guru, Raul. He's helping us get everything wired up. We have our hearing aid lab here where all the magic is done, and a couple more patient rooms. Another patient room, and look at the elephant ears. So cute. Dr. Arthur ordered that. And another room here. And then we're almost done with our tour. Keep up, here we go. We're going down here to our cochlear implant room. And this is where the audiologist, Sue Scott, sees our cochlear implant patients. And we're going to end our tour over here. This is where our technicians sit and check in the hearing devices and get everything all set for the patients. And this is checkout, where you can get wipes, dry and stored toothbrushes, not for your teeth, but for your hearing devices. And this is where we end our tour. And we are so excited to be here. Come and see us. We'll take great care of you, and it's a privilege and an honor to serve you in our community in this way. Bye.